Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the cover on your Instagram story. First thing you want to do, you want to launch the Instagram app. Then you want to click on the top left corner where you see it says your story. You click on this, and for our example we're going to click and press the empty camera icon option. So now when you're on the actual plain screen, you want to click on the letters on the left side, right? There you have it. Now we have one cover selected. How are we going to change this cover is the biggest question. So on the lower right corner you have the cover icon, which essentially changes the cover from here. Also very interesting, if you put your finger in the middle, and you can actually see how this color will change by reducing the brightness, meaning that if somebody has a dark mode or somebody has a lower or higher brightness, this color might appear differently when they actually check out your story, right? This is what we're going to use in our example, the defined yellow color. Now what else you can do? You can press the shutter, right? So this will simply finalize your decision of the color, and then you can simply press your story, which means you're going to create a story. What other options you have? Well, simply you can add mentions, you can add locations. For example, you can come over here and let's say you want to tag Apple, right? Boom, Apple is here. You can zoom it in, zoom it out, make it very small, and you can put it right over here like a small design or logo. Then you can do this same exact thing manually. You can see, you can just press on mention, and let's say you want to click a celebrity, right? Ronaldo, boom, Ronaldo is here as well. Let's put it on the top left corner. What else you can do? You can essentially put a location. Let's say we are in New York City, right? Boom, you can leave it right over here. What else you can create and add? You can add particular questionnaire, right? This is a very easy thing to do, right? For example, right, how are you? Very simple question, and that's it. It's very simple, beautiful created post. We have someone as celebrity tagged on the post. We have someone who is representing the company, in our case Apple. We have a questionnaire and we have a location. Beautiful cover. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.